What'd you say? Repeat that.
Okay. Today in class, I had to go to Miss Napier's room, and we had to say these really, really wicked tongue twisters. It's like 10 little witches, or something else, can't remember.
My tongue is stinging. I mean, I ate so. I mean, I ate it.
Too batter.
Straight from the throne, gotta get those wheels on turning. But you got moved and moved. Walk around and bones, gonna walk around and bones, gonna walk around and hear the word of the Lord. The head bone's connected to the neck bone connected to the shoulder bone's connected to the thigh bone.